Hi guys, can you guess what fusion I'm making today? It's Kerala's pride Karimeen meets a rich gyros twist. Let's begin. First step, we have to prepare a marinade. Take a small bowl, add 4 to 5 Kashmir chilies, add hot water to that, and keep it aside for soaking. Now we have to roast some spices. For that, take a small pan, add 1.5 teaspoon of coriander seed, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed. Roast until aromatic. Wow, a nice smell is coming. Now let it cool down. Now take a small jar, add the roasted spices and grind it to a smooth powder. To the same mixer jar, add 6 cloves of garlic, a small piece of tamarind and soft Kashmir chili and a little bit of water. Again, grind it into a smooth paste. Wow, it's so colorful. For frying, we have to marinate our fish first. For that, take a plate, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt and a half piece lemon juice. Mix well. Now coat the masala over the fish very nicely. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now to the frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. And place the marinated Karimeen gently and shallow fry on low flame. Cook both sides till golden. See its color. Next for final cooking. To the same pan, add 1.5 teaspoon of ghee, 1 handful of curry leaves and the paste we made. Mix well and cook it till the ghee separates from the masala. And half teaspoon of pepper powder. Add a little bit of salt. Now add a little bit of water for making the masala semi-thick. Wow, look at this masala. It's so rich and colorful. Now carefully place the fried karimeen into the masala and gently coat both sides without breaking the fish. Do it very gently because the fish is very soft. Roast it on low flame till the fish absorb all the rich flavor. Our delicious Karimeen gyros is ready now. Must try this fusion that nobody else has tried yet.